Plastic waste is a growing crisis. Every minute, a garbage truck of plastic enters our oceans, and only 9% of plastic waste has ever been recycled. People want to recycle, but there is no such motivation or easy system to track it. That's where PlastiCoins comes in. PlastiCoins is a mobile app that makes recycling rewarding, fun, and impactful. Users can create an account to access the platform. The sign-up process requires basic details such as email and password. This is the home screen where users see their balance, recycling progress, and challenges to earn extra plastic coins. Unlike other apps, PlastiCoins combines rewards, gamification, and impact tracking. Users don't just recycle, they engage in leaderboards, challenges, and compete with their friends. In this way, recycling becomes a game where the more you recycle, the more you earn. Our app makes recycling easy by allowing users to scan barcodes on plastic products. When a user scans a barcode, the app identifies the product and rewards them with plastic coins based on the type of plastic. These earned plastic coins can be used to shop for other plastic materials or eco-friendly products available in the app's store. If a product doesn't have a barcode, users can manually enter the details, such as the product name and plastic type. They can also upload a picture as proof. Once submitted, the system verifies the entry and grants rewards accordingly. This encourages users to recycle more while benefiting from their contributions to a cleaner environment. The app detects nearby recycling centers, and user confirms drop-off by scanning a QR code at the location. Once verified, they receive plastic coins in their wallet. Plastic coins can be used to redeem eco-friendly items like tote bags, reusable cups, and compost bins. Users can also choose to pick up items from a nearby store or get discounted items delivered to their doorstep. In the settings section of our app, users have full control over their experience. They can choose from multiple languages, making the app accessible worldwide. Users can also edit their profiles by updating personal details like their name, email, or profile picture. Additionally, users can change their passwords for security and access other customization options to enhance their app experience. The settings menu ensures that the app is user-friendly and adaptable to individual preferences. With our PlastiCoins app, recycling isn't just a responsibility, it's a reward. Scan, earn, and shop while making a difference. Join us in turning waste into opportunity, because a cleaner planet starts with you.